How to log in into Axis Bank mobile application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video, we will learn how we can log in into Axis Bank mobile application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to launch the Axis Bank mobile application in your mobile device. If you don't have the application, you can install it from the Google Play Store. So once you open up the application, you'll be directly taken into login page. Now in order to log in, first of all, you have to enter your username that is associated with your account. After that, type in your password. Make sure to type in your correct password. Now once you have typed in your correct login credential, all you have to do is tap on the sign in button. After that, you'll be logged into your account. In case if you forget your login credential, there is a link right there. You have to tap on it, follow some on-screen instructions, and that's gonna help you recover your account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.